Friday, me Bawumia Mubabana. Friday, me Basintale, me Bawumia Mubabana. Now say me ba, now NPP for nim. Now say you take care. You beya, me say you take care. You beya, now you take care. You beya, now you take care. You beya.
In by election course so our Blackman of constituency between Honorable Ekwefriye and Honorable Erabna in a ticket of NPP and NDC. I want to say election national. Lord Reading cry a pure home, every river and all could be no ewasi. Emma Basabasa who will be not equal so Miss Hawa Koomson and come on for Echo Penecono, Emma even Grano, MPP National Deputy Organizer, almost Echo didn't want it. Now do a see no. Now one for the other suborn elbow Malik Basintale near Bob Malik, it is a Malik. Una inside youth na emam ko yesa bigwase adewe na Malik so abekasa wa besanity na nitin obesan wa fire MP for ne fokin Malik wa fire MP for na fire MP leadership ese masa se montimo do tum nema ya enyame ana mo attack ensem de bebiri na Malik abeka any video na beken kan ne se ro kekan no ya chirichiri mu ama so ate ase ayi Penyah block media let's ro say any dey mu over like video no other mo subscribe to the notification latest update na be chere wa adwen de ama me e wo comment section let's ro so baso no actually for say be ashe. It's Friday, 11 July 2025, and the by election questions a big man of constituency nimo. Now before election 2 days, and you say Malik Basintale echo a big man of honor on any crew no. Emma honor or catch you say oh adetia meba na most meba biana.
Friday me Bawumia Mubabana. Friday me Basintale me Bawumia Mubabana. Now say me ba. Now NPP for nim. Now say you take care. You beya. Me say you take care. You beya. Now you take care. You beya. Now you take care. You beya. Ona kuboshi na munyina. Ya na munyina ase.
Thursday no MPP for so ye blue army guy the motor come for hall my black man of Emma and was said as me ye kwan ablekuma e hono no NDC and MPP for omo be clash here Emma it was all sort of fun and laugh I say Mobia in Turkey asumdwe aba boni bia ensi adachi anopa yeko about you no ene hu se Malik Basintale ebi make post e Facebook and I say 5k men and 3k women activate body cameras 2 step forward Ablekumanoff just said 5k men and 3k women just obia activating the body camera now we are 2 step forward you call Ablekumanoff you call you mo push and call Ablekumanoff what I say or make it this particular post and I just say bye 5k men and 3k men. Cock and hold. Maintain composure. Easy. What's I making this particular post? Later, anyone say about be akoso. Ewo. Ablekumanoff constituency. Methodist. St. Peter's polling station. Methodist autonomous. But be akoso. Aman kani pabani from ekope Hawa Koomson. Akodi ne kwane.
Why are they doing that?
And no kwa NPP National Deputy Organizer so Chris Lloyd and kini ba bi so ekodi ni bwane. Emma adu e baye no Malik Basintale ekopiem honum amanfo just Malik issue na happen no what is your take on this Malik has one day on when our community to be born on but Malik eka say when hu no later eno call the Facebook eno make it post eno on say mine now ohuri to ne ho eko head Miss Hawa Koomson Malik make it post eno try say from today I name him the Flying Python. He shall be in charge of the 5K Air Force. Just said the 5K men and the both the 5K men activate body camera or just say my way now to no go ahead Hawa Koomson. Or no, or friend of Flying Python or not better a dominant no. Meanwhile Malik as well who so obi go Hawa Koomson but obi to no the end who ye. Malik we no make another point and not try say thank you Ablekumanoff. Dear 5K men, 3K women, Flying Python, Fire Rangers, Cock and Hold. The activate body comes now. It is green. Congratulations, Irregular Orbin. Just said, or the team on the squad, you know. Dear 5K men, 3K women, Flying Python, Lord Reading. Guy no ba hono no ebe to no mo. Almost our Fire Rangers now. And also our Cock and Hold. E wo mu ni Cock and Hold no. The omu yes we could two so mu ye the omu do mu ye. As now there, if you agree enti no. I say, "Mama Debre, deactivate the body cameras. Mo deactivate." Now, and what you say the attack as I Malik so. When I said the was that only the oil, he's the one inciting the youth. Enti MCI boy ebe fire Malik Basintale. Now, and what you know people for us either so go no. Ebe Malik Basintale say, "Hey Malik, oya young guy nya go try ade awoya no." Ala say, "Usa, hweye cause anhra na abanye se san wa so be yashi." Emu ana Malik say na ma reply mu nyina. E no ba na Facebook, e no make it post 10. Bro 10 not you say. You had no strategy, no direction, no plan, and you expected to win Ablekumanoff. How? Oh yes, I'm before. Moon need strategy bia, moon need direction bia, hey, moon need plan bia. Now Ablekumanoff not myself win. Say, your party leaders shamefully boycotted, and just when they realized they had prematurely ejaculated, they issued a U-turn and never show up in reality. Once a woman corner, Justin Cole no NPP General Secretary no echo make interview. And I work said, about the men people for BNC war, Omun Konkoto, or BNC one. But and what is no Anna Kenya Japan, as I said, I was a support, a queer free. A general worker said, Moko party leaders crown. Omo work as one boycott. Later, I make you 10, 8 no, Passa, one plan whenever you. And I said, your candidate was campaigning on the message of she being a widow. JM wanting a third term, etc. I just say, oh, more candidates. This one other corner. Oh, and I'm your back cleaning, Montumame, and I'm your back cleaning, Montumame, and I'm facing, I, some more to my this year. JM met my hotel tape. I said, so wait, you do compare election. You're now more candidate or the number. And I said, your armchair executives never show up on election day. It's a penny for election day. Once you go, almost it's a Koyam, and a more wiki bar. A wiki bar. I don't want to fat twack as young. Oh, my God. And I said, where was your national chairman, general secretary, organizer, etc.? Or just say, more national chairman, no, I never. Election day, when see her. Hey, my general secretary, when see her. More national organizer, when see her, 80 more pint like a more plan. Is that a woman, Lucia, who will be myself? Where was Chairman Boga, who was shouting all over a night before? She said, Chamabugana no, oh, ye did Tiamuna Malik or Bahon, to your honor that did quine. No way. Where's your answer? Where was Afina Markin, who is totally calling us names? What's Afina Markin? No way, but Afina I can defend because Afina Markin now on a national chairman, and general secretary, not Omo, and there's Kumi a years. What I say? No more there's Kumi a years, any day I can defend that. No more NS Kumina, the leadership of the NPP, no more NS Kumi areas. Tell them Malik, I did. We are no wrong. Or no more NS Kumi areas. But I said, well, James, oh, now the mic, at least that's like a where were your former appointees and MPs? More former appointees and MPs, no more anything. Why didn't they show up? Like they have been doing anytime it's time for posh dinners or luxurious birthday parties and celebrations or to a dance sisifian. Just say, I don't know penny for mama. Say that you do. See you call posh birthdays. You call dinner. Can say the mumba. You call say sisifian. You pay sisifian the mumba. But you will be here the battle for the mama. It won't blame me. I say, instead of focusing your energies on calling your former appointees out for leaving your candidate to her fate, you are here pointing fingers and issuing baseless cautions against the future. A future of 42 years in opposition. Or yes, I'm instead of before I'm going to name my mo be channel mo mpani foso o mo muja oba be sia nkwa so no nkwa enyina mo ho o no nkwa nya campaign mo be channel mo bufu akọ mo so no me na mo bufu ba mo so e na mo ntwa opposition 42 years number 3 what I say when the NDC lost in 2016 we focused on unity works studying report and reuniting our base that got us back in no time. Or just say oh NDC 2016 lose here yenya botre you can't home. Just the organize many works. Anna, I didn't come home ever. Okay, a move back on money. What can't you me on can't money? A money work, no money. Money can't you for me on can't come home born some money to people born. Also, more when I can go. Instead of learning and picking up from the scratch, you are there forming blue, violet, and pink armies at a stage where even the adhesive of your base is weak. Okay, I was able to starting building party from the scratch. There's a movie for me blue army, yeah for me violet, yeah for me pink. Meanwhile, I don't know for me kwano, mom hokra munin kabumu. What I say, dear NPP food soldiers, rethink. 1 minute from 1 minute. Ask your leaders questions. Ask them again and again till they provide you answers. Don't let them swerve their negligence and laziness. I wrote to Abdulkman to campaign with the 5K men and 3K women. Yes, I mean Malik Basintale. Help me before. Hey, Mumusa Mumpeni for Obama Mansa, Mumusa Musa. Mumunya Quadifo. But I say, Mumusa, and I remember Malik me Basintale. Me drove you to Abdulkman with a 5K men. Equia campaign. We did it peacefully and won the election smoothly with a well-coordinated plan. Vigilance and resilience. Once again, congratulations to Arabla Albin. Body counts deactivated. So when is someone Malik Basintale Abeka? Either MP before no penny for. The first Black commander of issue opinion, air concern. What is your take on this particular issue? May I consider this words from Malik as advice to the MPP as a party because and someone Malik can't ready. But so this need to baby. No credit through do and Malik Basintale account. No credit through do. No credit through do because MPP as a party. Money or dog. Money in Cambo Moon. Money issue. Honestly, or dog party back or don't tell me, Mama. Mama, here for. Tell your mommy, comment section. How you can block me.